Hi everyone, my name is Ying. My training number is 296273. So today I'm going to talk about the work in progress, the topic and related in the production and operation management, and also the supply chain management, the logistic and transportation industry. So let's continue. Guys, do you know about what is work in progress? Work in progress refers to the partially finished goods or the products and services moving along the production lines, and it is also the cost of unfinished goods in the manufacturing process, including the labor, the raw materials, and the overhead. Okay, guys, let's take a look for the stage in the productions. So, WIP, how they work? How does the WIP works? Work in progress. Okay, there are three general steps in the production line. The step one is the raw materials. From the raw materials, we move to the step two, which is the work in progress, and then we move to the final step, which is the step three, is the finished goods, the final products. So WIP is on the step two, which is on the step two. And then, okay, we take a look for the step one, which is raw materials. How raw materials works? The raw materials refers to the supply necessary for the production. These materials vary depending on the project and the product being manufactured. And in the state of work in progress, it is the raw materials that's still in the progress of being developed or manufactured into the finished goods. Means it is not yet finished, but is on the way. And then the finished goods, the final product is the step that um, is already reached the final stage of inventory and ready to sold to the customer. This term refers to the product that complete the manufacturing process. So this is the three general stage in the production and the manufacturer's process. So can you understand the progress, which is the WIP? So now we take a look for the importance in the work in progress. Why work in progress is so important in a company or in a production or a manufacturing industry? So it is indicate a manufacturing system efficiency and effectiveness in managing goods throughout the production cycle. So WIP information can link to know the status of production units, examine the health of their supply chain, and adjust their strategy accordingly to meet the production requirement. So all the manager in the industry, they are very careful about the information of work in progress because they can know the current status of their production units, of their inventory, so that they can take control about the productions and the supply chain and the logistic about the finished goods of their products to send to their customers. So they want to know about the informations to predict the productions and the products in the future. So we look deeper into the importance of tracking WIP. So every company is taking seriously about the WIP, which is to reduce the cost in terms of production and storage, and also to free up the space in the production floor or storage facility. They are also to produce less waste in the production area. It is also to protect the environment. And then they are also to decrease the risk of loss, damage, defective or expired finished goods. So in this picture, we can see that from the WIP, the goods are going to the factory to process into the finished goods and then going to send through the transportations, the maritime transportation, and then sent to the retailer and also to the end users, which is the customers. So the process of this is called logistics, one of the logistic, and this is the supply chain. So from WIP until the end users is quite long supply chain. So if there are one mistake in one of the steps, so the end user will receive the goods more delayed. So it is important in the supply chain, in the production lines to get the smooth logistic product, the process more smooth. So there are one way to reduce the WIP in the manufacturing. So this is one of the ways, and which is the just-in-time manufacturing, we call as JIT. This is the method of production that materials are only brought in and used as they are required in the manufacturing process. And it is the fantastic way to reduce many types of waste, especially the surplus. And the purpose is to get rid of the overproduction, the waiting, the excess inventory. So we can get rid about three waste out of eight type. So this is one of the advantages to reduce the WIP in a company. So we can take a look for this way to reduce the WIP in the manufacturing. So it is quite a fantastic ways and effective way to reduce the WIP. So yeah, this is the conclusions. So about the WIP, work in progress, the conclusion is to understanding the WIP inventory can help us to better understand not only in the production and operation line, but also supply chain management, the logistics, the transportations. Therefore, we can find the ways to optimize our production to drive more revenue for our company. So WIP is also important in a company. And then so everyone must take serious about these parts. Therefore, we do not our productions about our products and ways for the productions so we can get a smooth logistic and send our best product to our end users, which is our customer, to serve our customer better. So everyone is happy. So thank you.